So we have to fulfill the requirements to be able to attend the Christian Life program.
So may requirements tayo.
Yes, so we have the requirements. That would be the entry level.
Entry
is to
level
fulfill the series of talks for our Christian Life program to become a member of the Couples for Christ. It really helps you to strengthen your relationship and to deepen, to know more about Jesus, more about Christ. So it's a strengthening and deepening your relationship.
Bakit nga ba Christ normally calls you when you're on your lowest point of your life?
Yeah, because dahil nga sa hiningi mo sa kanya to help you.
Yeah.
That's the only way for him to
Ayun yung lalapit ka sa kanya na wala ka nang malapitan na siya na talaga.
And dun mo
Kasi-
talaga makikita yung pagmamahal niya. Kasi when you
God
need
loves
them
you.
the most, when you're, ako, alam ko to for sure. Alam mo naman ang story ako, Ate Elizabeth,
oo
right?
nga.
When you're at the very bottom, and if nobody else to hold on to, dun siya talaga darating.
Yeah.
Hello everyone, this is Elizabeth Velasco from the Velasco team of Remax Gold, and this is
Alvin Reyes with Supreme Lending.
and welcome to our episode 53 of Bahay Pinoy sa Tate. Hello Alvin.
Hi, Ate Elizabeth.
Meron tayong special
Yun nga,
guest.
sobra.
I'm excited
Itong
today.
dalawang naka-blue rito.
Oo nga,
oo.
okay. I wanted to introduce to everyone, actually sila ang brother and sister ko sa Couple for
That's right.
Christ. Yes, and today is gonna be like kinda, what I say, something meaningful para sa akin.
Oo nga,
Yes.
oo. And you've been talking to me about this for
Correct.
the past month. Sabi niya, Alvin, try mo to. You know what? I'm so glad. I'm so happy that you guys are here. So,
And,
pwede ko silang tanungin,
Yes.
mga questions
And
about
let's-
really what's Couples of Christ really all about.
Yes, and let's introduce them.
Let's do.
Here next to me is Sister Nor Orque. Hello, Sister.
How are you?
Sister, lapit ng konti.
Ay, sorry.
Yes,
Hello
oo.
po.
Yan.
Yeah.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon, good morning.
Yes.
Sa inyong lahat.
And you?
And this
Hi, my name is Joe Orca. Hello everyone.
Nice.
Brother
nice.
Joe
Brother
Orque.
Joe. Okay.
Yes, oo. Actually, sila yung brother and sister ko sa Couple for Christ.
Oo nga.
Remember I told you, my husband and I actually just joined Couple for Christ here in Elk Grove in Sacramento area. And I'm really glad that,
Oo nga.
parang feeling ko na talagang napalapit kami sa Diyos.
Yes, yes. And how
Yes.
long you been with the group, Couple of Christ?
It was about a year ago.
About a year ago. Okay,
Yes.
okay,
oo.
alright, okay.
It really changed me, yung mindset ko, and then also yung relationship ko with my husband, with my family, and everyone around
That's
me.
really nice. That's
and
really
let's
good.
ask them about that. Okay.
Okay, so guys, just quick one question from me, Couple of Christ. Tell me about how long has it been itong group na to? It's been around.
Yeah.
Okay, Couples for Christ has been here for the longest and many years ago. It started in 1981 in Metro Manila, Philippines.
Oh, really?
Oh,
And the history,
1981,
yes,
Manila pala.
Yes.
Okay.
Grabe mabot na hanggang dito.
Yes, from
That's
Manila, and
really
then it
nice.
spread out globally.
Uh-huh.
So Couples for Christ is in more than over 141 countries in its territory. So tayo ang Couples for Christ is very global na. You can see
Wow.
representation from all over the world. And
Wow,
it's
guys.
global.
141
countries.
Wow,
Opo.
1981. Okay.
81,
Wow.
yes.
Yes. So, Sister Nor, what does CFC or Couple for Christ? What is this? Ano ba tong group na to?
Ano bang mission natin?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, our global, we gotta go with global vision first. This is the families in the Holy Spirit, renewing the face of the earth. At saka yung mission natin is building the church of the home and building the church of the poor. So we are like womb to tomb, which means not only for couples, but also we have kids for Christ, we have youth for Christ, we have singles for Christ, we have handmaids of the Lord, and then servants of the Lord. Most especially the couples too.
Yes.
So the whole family,
Wow.
is
What a
So
within the
great,
community.
great mission
Home
tsaka
to
vision,
do.
no? Ganda.
Yes.
Okay, I want to ask Sister Nor, when you say handmaids of the Lord, and what's the other one?
Servants of the Lord.
So can you explain what is handmaid of the Lord?
Yeah,
Para
handmaids-
sa ating viewers.
Our viewers, yeah, because the handmaids of the Lord is usually the single ladies or women that are widowed, they are divorced, they are like we call old maids, you know. Yung mga yung
Hindi naman
yung matandang
old maid.
dalaga. You know, but you're very welcome, you know, the like 30 and 40 and above.
Oh,
the
I
single
see.
ladies.
Okay, and what's the other one naman?
The other
brother?
one is servants, is the
Servants.
opposite, yung lalaki din, mga widow.
Byudo na lalaki.
Byudo na lalaki.
Byudo na lalaki.
Yes, yeah.
Mga
Oh,
matandang
wow.
lalaki na
Na hindi nakapag-asawa.
Hindi nakapag-asawa.
Oh,
They're
yun
servants
pala
of the
yun.
Lord. And also yung mga kung couples for Christ ka, yung children is automatic to be kids for Christ.
Yes. So hindi lang talaga for couples. It's for
Yes.
the whole family.
Yes.
kumbaga
Whole
ba.
family.
Yeah, so from the kids, from the couples, even singles,
Singles.
pwede, right?
Yes, and the youth. So
Youth
we have
too. And youth.
we call
Wow.
Christian Life Program for the couples. We have also Christian Life Program for the youth. We have also combination yung handmaids, couples, saka servants of the Lord. Combined sila.
Wow.
Pero mayroon kami kids camp at saka youth camp.
So this is technically for the whole family talaga.
Whole
Yes.
This is
family.
really good.
Family.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
I love
So
it.
yung when you talk about yung mission, Brother Joe, can you
Yes.
explain that? Ano bang yung essence ng mission ng Couple for Christ and all the
Okay,
ano?
so the mission ng Couples for Christ, we have ministries for that. I'm gonna set example yung angkop natin. So
Okay,
angkop,
what is angkop?
Angkop is answering the cry of the poor.
Ah,
So it's a
okay.
community development program. Ang layunin natin dito is to help our less fortunate brothers and sisters, especially in the Philippines.
Yes.
So ang angkop natin is nagpapaaral tayo ng less fortunate na mga kabataan, elementary, high school, and college through sponsorship. So it's a fundraising. All the proceeds will go to our less fortunate brothers and sisters in the Philippines para mapag-aral natin sila elementary, high school, and college. So that's one of our ministries that we Couple Podcast were helping and advocating to help yung mga kabataan natin.
Okay.
Wow, what a
Alam
great
mo,
cause.
yeah,
What a
you know
great
what?
cause.
Actually, hindi siya masyadong mahal eh. Alam mo ba kung magkano magpaaral?
Sponsor.
Yeah, mag-sponsor. It's not that expensive. It's like what? $300
Yeah.
for the
Plus.
whole year.
Yeah. Yeah, well, $300
$300 plus.
could go a long way in
Oh
the
my
Philippines.
goodness.
Diba?
Diba?
Yeah.
Tapos college is what?
At around
700
more than 700
700
for a year.
for a year, college yan.
And also for
Oh
the
my-
priest too, we have also sponsorship with the priest who want to be a priest.
Wow, imagine, it could go a really long way.
Yeah, seriously.
I mean, 300, isang kain mo lang sa labas yun.
Isang
Yeah.
ano lang, isang kainan lang, especially
Isang
these
dining mo
days.
lang sa
no?
restaurant.
I mean, with the tip and everything. Oh my goodness. It's like, it's, at saka maganda kasi, I really like yung vision nila na pinag-aaral para magkaroon ng chance yung tao
Mga
at
bata.
magkaroon ng hanap buhay at umasenso at
And alam naman natin napakaraming less fortunate sa Philippines, diba?
Oo, yan ang
Like-
problema.
Like may kagagaling ko lang doon. My third child is going to school over there. And I can tell you what, guys, napakadami talagang gustong mag-aral ng mga bata who wants to go to school, matatalino, has motivated, pero talagang kulang eh. Wala talaga eh. And I think this is a great cause for
Yes.
couples of Christ na napakaganda
Yes.
talaga.
Oo nga,
Not
correct.
only for the sponsorship too with the education, but also building the homes.
Yeah.
Oo,
grabe.
okay, explain that about building the homes kasi parang sa
Pati
ating
homes,
mga
Yeah.
para sa ating mga viewers.
Wow,
Oo.
wow.
So ano naman?
Because you know, you can see it in the Philippines na wala talagang bahay doon. And also mga
totoo.
nagsalanta ng mga
Housing
typhoon,
program.
housing
Oo, kasi ang
program.
daming squatters din sa atin,
Totoo
di
yun,
ba?
Totoo yun, oo.
So ano yan, nagbi-build ng bahay, mga apartments?
You can
or
see
what?
it there in our website with the Angkop Walk.
Mm-hmm.
They have we're building houses not only in Manila but all over
Mm-hmm.
Philippines.
Wow, okay, that's great. You know what? I mean, magkakaroon na sila ng bahay with
Yeah.
this fundraising.
I'm a little bit
and
surprised
sponsorship.
kasi I'm sorry, pero nung kinakwento kasi sa akin ni Ate Elizabeth, sabi niya, Alvin Couple for Christ. Akala ko like, this is only for the groups of
Couple.
mga married, mga
Mag-asawa,
ganon,
oo.
to enhance the relationship more as a couple. Pero napakadami niyo palang visions and napakadami niyo palang
Mission.
mga missions na kailangan
Oo
niya.
nga.
Na from housing, from school, from unfortunate,
Yeah, at saka
And
minsan
also,
nag-ano pa sila eh,
You
di
have
ba?
medical mission.
Medical mission
mission
din.
pa.
We have that in
Dental
September.
mission.
Gusto ko to.
Yes.
Gusto ko to.
You can
Gusto ko
volunteer
to.
Yung mga nurses dyan,
Gusto ko
mga
to.
therapists
Doctor.
dyan,
Yeah, we're calling all
doktor.
in medical fields to join us.
Gusto ko to.
We have
Napakaganda.
the outreach program. We're going to
Yes.
far-flung areas in the Philippines, doing medical mission, dental missions, and all the medical mission that Couples for Christ is supporting too. So
Wow.
marami sinusupport na ang Couples for Christ.
So matanong ko lang, saan talaga yung pinaka-head, kumbaga sinasabing head office ninyo or head corps ninyo? Saan talaga ang pinaka-head office ninyo? If somebody wants to go ahead and inquire about this or to see this or to
inquire.
ask about...
Ito. Okay, let's ask them.
Yeah.
Actually, to start, meron silang, it starts with Christian Life Program.
Christian
Kasi
Life
kailangan
Program.
maintindihan muna nila yung papasukan nila, di ba? So explain that, Brother Joe.
Okay,
This is, for instance, if somebody wants to, hey,
Yeah.
I want to know
They want to
more about
be
this.
part of the Couples for Christ. So,
Yes.
first, we have to be a member of Couples for Christ.
Of
We have
course.
to fulfill the requirements to be able to attend the Christian Life Program.
So may requirements tayo.
Yes, so we have the
Kasi
requirements.
paano.
That would be the entry level.
Entry
Is to
level yan.
fulfill the series of talks for our Christian Life Program to become a member of the Couples for Christ.
And
So
this
yun ang
is-
unang
Yeah.
yung kailang gawin.
Technically, that's explaining really where you're getting into, what's
Yes.
the
Commitment,
the group is all about.
responsibility.
Yeah, we want to make sure
Yes.
na alam nila kung ano yung papasukan nila.
Yeah.
Yes.
So,
And-
that's the first thing. And then,
Then after the CLP, it is a series of talks.
Uh-oh.
It's a series of talks, a discussion. So right now, they're gonna have a Christian Life Program, 8 series of talks.
Okay.
So,
you
8 weeks
yes,
yan,
8 weeks and
natuloy-tuloy.
all. Yeah.
Before
Yes.
13 talks.
Dati,
Oh.
13 weeks. Ngayon, inano na nila,
Kinompress.
kinompress nila sa 8
8
weeks.
weeks. Oo.
Kasi, I mean, first of all, hindi naman yung attend ka lang ng one meeting tapos mema.
Oo.
Kasi it takes time and anything that you do, it has to grow on you, di ba?
Tama,
Yes.
tama.
At saka hindi naman one lump sum na
Oo.
ituturo sa lahat yan eh.
Tama,
Kasi
oo.
it's a process. And actually, ang Christian Life Program, it's more like parang pagbabalik loob sa Panginoon.
Yeah, yeah.
Di ba?
Oo.
Yes, so getting to know
yes.
more
Yes.
about Jesus, more of Christ, and to deepen your relationship.
Yeah,
So,
yes.
yun ang isa sa ano na ng
What a
Christian Life
great
Program
thing.
natin.
Grabe.
Yes.
I mean, I go to church every Sunday, pero parang if you get into this kind of, kumbaga sa mga ganitong mga groups, parang it gives you more, kumbaga ba, it validates your relationship with,
Yes, it strengthens your relationship and it's deepen
with
your
the Christ.
faith.
Yeah, definitely.
Yes.
I love that.
Yes.
You
Yes.
have
So-
more connection to the Lord. Yeah.
And of course, you said, marami na talagang groups in every county, no? Iba't
Yes.
ibang places, no? Wow. oo.
Okay. So sister, explain yung yung Christian Life Program, 'di ba? 8 weeks 'yon.
8 weeks,
So ano
oo.
bang maano nila diyan ang more likely mai-experience nila when you go to the
Yeah, just
Christian
give
Life
us a little
Program?
bit of tip kung ano yung,
Yeah, oo.
what's
Ano
the
ba may
anticipate
experience
na, no?
nila?
Yeah.
Oo.
Yeah, so mostly the first talk is about God's love and how that's why our what do you call this one, our flyers, because I'm the one who made that one. So my it's like rediscover God's love. That's how God loves you. That's why He called you to come that day. And then you have to know more Jesus pa, and then more or how you grow with the Holy Spirit in you,
Yes, yes.
and also the mission and all the vision of the CFC too, and how because mostly the vision is like we are like couples for Christ, that we are committed to live in God's righteousness and holiness and evangelization. Sorry,
Yes.
evangelizing people. Life to love and service. So they will gonna explain more there and how you gonna have more connection. to
More
that
deep
one.
deeper
Yeah.
Deeper
connection to that.
connection and
Oo.
more understanding.
Hindi, at saka yung Bible, they actually, may mga verses sa Bible na they explain, you have discussion, ganun.
Discussion
So,
group. You have
Yes.
And also some
Discussion.
teachings. May mga teachings din tayo. So it really helps you to strengthen your relationship and to deepen, to know more about Jesus, more about Christ. So it's a strengthening and deepening your relationship.
So yung 8 weeks na if you're going in, if you're joining yung 8 weeks na yon, right? Now, is that like what any schedules looks like? Is it every week? Is it
Every Sunday.
Every Sunday.
For 3
Scheduled
hours.
For 3
Every
hours.
Sunday.
Uh-uh.
So that would be 8 consecutive Sundays.
Okay.
So that would be
Gotcha.
8
And it will
consecutive
start
Sundays.
actually today at
Yes.
3 p.m.
Oo.
Yes.
Yes.
Oh, ayun. Oo,
So
oo.
if you guys are available and you wanna, try it out today at 3 p.m. at St. Joseph Church here in Elk Grove, California.
Now,
Yes,
let me ask you more personal questions.
Oh,
So,
yes.
since you joined this group, Couple of For Christ, ano ang nabago sa inyo? Ano yung, kumbaga ba, what's really changed you as a person, as a spiritual person? Ano yung na-experience ninyo? I mean, I'm sure ako, for sure sa Brentwood, magtatanong na ako.
Yes.
I want to know offhand kung ano yung unang-unang nabago sa atin o sa inyo. Joining.
Let's start with Joe and then Sister Nor.
Okay.
Joe.
Yeah.
Joe.
With
Thank
Brother
you for
Joe.
the question.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah,
So,
let's start with Brother Joe.
Yeah.
it changed a lot as a husband. it burdens your perspective. Kumbaga, you were there to get to know more Jesus. When I compare myself before na nasa Philippines ako, it was a different kind of me nung andito na ako sa community and sa America with the Couples for Christ, kasi malaking tulong it strengthens your faith, and then it also helps you to help our less fortunate brothers and sisters through, for example, for Angkop. So it will able you to also to be of service, kasi the Couples for Christ is all about service. We serve our brothers and sisters in community, our families, our brothers and sisters, and within the circles that you are into. So it's more of a service. We're just like more of a servant. We serve each and every one in the Couples for Christ. It changed me in so many ways. More importantly is we're able to know more about Jesus and His ways and teachings that could help you. Kasi kung ano mga teachings nila, may tutulong din natin sa mga ibang natin sa mga ibang tao, sa other couples, sa community natin. So it's also returning back, giving back what you have experienced and what you have learned.
And as a family, parang ini-strength yung family, parang
values, your faith,
no?
your relationship. So it changed you in a more spiritual level. More of it.
Ikaw naman. Ikaw naman. Ano naman?
Sister Nor, I wanna hear from
parang
you.
Feel ko parang kung ako gagawin ko to, unang-una talaga magiging change ito yung my relationship with my wife.
Yes.
Parang doon magsisimula, di ba? And then from down to family. But let's
hear from sister.
Actually, before I did the Couples for Christ, I'm a Youth for Christ in the Philippines. Way back in 1995.
Wow! Okay, talagang long time member na pala to si sister. And then galing yan sa parents mo, di ba?
Hindi, there's somebody went to our school and
to your
introduced
school.
the Couples for Christ, and we have our youth camp. We have a Youth for Christ.
Okay.
Yeah. So it's really fun. So when you are couples here, we're in the US, it's like brand new sa'yo lahat. You don't know everybody, everything is brand new to you. So when you are here, like something is missing when you get married.
Yeah.
And really God calls you to be in Couples for Christ when you're everything is low.
Yeah.
Like everything is so depressed. Like,
bakit ganyan? Bakit nga ba Christ normally calls you when you're on your lowest point of your life?
Yeah, because dahil nga sa hiningi mo sa kanya to help you.
Yeah.
That's the only way for him to
Yun yung lalapit ka sa kanya na wala ka nang malapitan, na siya na talaga.
And doon mo talaga makikita yung pagmamahal niya. Kasi when you need them the most, when you're, ako, alam ko to for sure. Alam mo naman ang story ko, Ate Elizabeth, right? When you're at the very bottom and there's nobody else to hold on to, dun siya talaga darating.
Yeah. Dun talaga siya darating. Yeah.
Parang convinced na ako, Elizabeth. Parang gusto ko pumunta ngayon. Parang hindi ako makapaghintay. Gusto ko na pumunta sa Brentwood.
Hindi. I-refer kita doon.
Gusto ko
Okay,
talaga.
ako tanungin. Ako naman. Okay. And then si sister. Di ba ito si sister?
So it happened like the worst point of our life. Like our relationship is not that good at all. We're going to the church every Sunday.
But
something is missing. It's not enough. So with these Couples for Christ give us more connection and like more closer to Him, and we know more Him. And also with the praise and worship, like not only like we pray like our Father Hail Mary knows, like we do as a Catholic and go to church. There's more other way to pray.
To praise and to glorify.
For sure.
Yeah, that He will really loves it. Yeah.
Tsaka also
It's
you
a good
doing,
feeling
you
too.
also, like, as a Christian, diba, as a Catholic, you also reaching out for less unfortunate. That's really more.
Yes.
Hindi lang yung pagsisimba, hindi lang yung pagdadasal minsan, di ba? You with this group, then you do more in action as well.
Yes, we do more action. We are actually more humble in our lives.
What do you mean humble?
Give me humility. That's the common person
Yun
of,
naman
like,
talaga.
of being a leader or a servant.
Servant.
A servant.
Christ, to be humble, like humility.
Servisyo,
and be loving
service.
because of your service. With these Couples of Christ, you will not be paid to do your service to others, but you have to do it because of what you love and what's in your heart.
Wow.
Because God will just give you multiple times, like 100-folds. He will just give us more blessing. Like when everything, even though like mahirap, kasi dahil busy sa work, di ba? Yung being a nurse, and he's also a nurse.
Oo nga pala, nurse pala sila by profession.
By profession. So with all the service namin sa di mo lang, grabe yung we were singing in the choir, kasi not only for the We also do in the community, in Couples for Christ. Nag-ano din kami, nag-acquire din kami. Hindi kaya may mga kung mag-CFF, katulad nila, catechist. Sa church. We're helping the church.
Talagang
daming
services
talaga.
na binibigay ninyo.
Yes.
And it's, you know what, Elizabeth, parang gusto ko na talaga.
Sige talaga. At tagal na kita
We're inviting you.
tinatawa namin.
At pag alis dito, ito magkano agad ako. No, and I'm so happy that I've met you guys. Kasi for quite a while, si Elizabeth's been trying to, I would not say convince, but inform me, hey, subukan mo to. And now that I know more about the vision and the mission of a Couple for Christ, parang it's really, I really wanna.
You give it a try. You can join the first talk.
No, but I do wanna know the experience of what's
Ako
given
naman.
you.
Sige, actually, ako baguhan pa lang kasi ako.
So about a year, you said,
Yeah.
right? About a
Actually,
year.
na-discover ko ang Couple for Christ kasi when we were getting married sa Catholic Church, kasi di ba may 6 months preparation
Correct.
sa St. Patrick sa San Francisco. Yung nag-host sa amin, Couple for Christ sila. So, sabi ko, wow, ang ano naman ito, ang tight ng group, parang ang saya-saya, may fellowship, ganun, lagi may kainan.
Ganon. Ikaw talaga.
Yeah, that's true.
Tapos,
Para palagi may party, sabi ko.
gathering, party
Gathering.
gathering.
Lagi may
Yes.
gathering.
Fellowship.
Tapos ganon. Tapos si brother Romeo kasi siya yung CPA na I do business with kasi yung mga clients ko sa real estate nire-refer ko sa kanya.
Yes.
So lagi niya na ako kinukonvince doon. Sabi niya, Beth, you should try ganito. Busy pa ako, malilit pa mga anak ko noon. So finally, nung namatay yung father ko, kasi may mass card na nakuha ko na 9 consecutive mass.
Days,
Nandun sila, may
Yes.
booth.
Wow.
Nakita ko si Sister Monique, sabi niya, Beth, sign up ka yung asawa ni Brother Rom. So sabi ko, sige mahal, tara, try lang natin. Hindi ko naman alam na yung first day, 8 weeks pala. Akala ko one time lang. Pero alam mo, with God's will or God's blessing, talagang kinlear niya yung schedule ko kasi it was a Saturday. It was, that's my open house days as a realtor. Talagang kinlear niya yung schedule ko para matapos yung 8 weeks.
So as a person, Elizabeth, what really changed you since you've joined this
Actually,
group of Couple for Christ?
kasi nga, lagi akong may excuse yung pagsisimba or, things like that. Pero ngayon parang talagang naintindihan ko na yung obligation ko, sa kanya.
Yes,
Na I need to give time na, na makita siya o magdasal sa kanya, things like that. And then also kasi nga, kasi close ako sa kanya nung nasa Pilipinas ako. Kasi nga, Catholic girl, ganon, from kindergarten to high school. So, I have a good relationship. Tapos nung napunta ako sa Amerika, nawala.
Yes.
Kasi I'm so busy. I will go to Mass, like Christmas, Easter. Nagiging Catholic lang.
When you only want, not needed. Pag gusto mo lang.
Parang ganon. And then my life got blessed and everything. Pero nakalimutan ko siya.
Yes,
So sabi ko, oh my goodness, what happened? Sabi ko, I've been really blessed, pero bakit nakalimutan ko siya?
Correct.
And then, bumait ako.
Bumait ka. Mas bumait.
Kasi I mean, kasi I'm so stressed, di ba, sa trabaho ko. I'm
Natin.
dealing with, all kinds of clients, lahat ng problema. Kasi syempre, as a realtor, problem solver ka.
Yeah.
And then you run a business, you have all these agents and, all this, staff. So, parang mas naging pasensyoso ko na para bang, kasi dati noon, more like, ano bang tawag dito? If there's a will, there's a way. Na,
parang
ako
ganun.
yun. Ako ang resulta
Parang
ng
there's
result na yun.
Yeah.
Diba? Parang ganun. Pero parang nakita ko na hindi ako hindi ako yun. It was God's blessing
That's
to
right.
me.
Everything's by God,
I mean,
from God.
binigay niya sa akin yun at itinuro niya sa akin yun. At ginaid ako. And I'm so blessed kasi yung talent ko, kasi nga tawag sa akin ng lola ko matutina. Nung bata ako.
Bakit madaldal na mataas pa boses?
Exactly. Kasi yun ang sabi ng lola ko, matutina. Pero Pero yung pala, yung personality ko na yun o yung talent ko yun, nagamit ko sa sales.
There you go.
Nagamit ko sa pagbenta ng bahay, sa connection with people, you know, ito, yung negosyo to real estate. And then I'm helping a lot of families. So, yun, yung parang nakita ko na, ganun pala. That's God's want me to do to help a lot of families to, you know, magkabahay, lalo na mga Pilipino, Sus Maria Joseph. Siyempre, pangarap nila, siyempre, magkaroon ng bahay. Ganun.
And she's right about that kasi in what we do in our business, we touch personal lives kasi.
Oo nga, yes.
We're talking about people's dream.
Oo nga, dream.
Savings, pera. We deal with a lot of money.
Yeah, minsan stress, minsan nagdi-divorce, di ba?
Madami talaga.
O kaya namatayan, kailangan magbenta ng bahay, o mag-move up, mag-move down.
And
so things like
sometimes,
that.
ako, personally, I can tell sometimes nakakalimutan ko talaga minsan kasi I'm so busy, di ba? With an office, with people, with the business. Pero you're right. I think we have to remind ourselves that everything is coming from God.
Yes.
No matter what.
Oo,
All
totoo
blessing
yan.
comes from God.
Yes,
Yeah,
oo nga.
that's good. That's good.
Oo
I'm so
nga,
happy.
talaga kaya si Charlie masaya siya kasi bumait ako. Yung mister ko. Di ba mahal?
Mas bumait pa yan, ha?
Dati nung kasi mainitin ang ulo ko eh.
Yeah, oo.
So ngayon bumait na.
So let me ask you a question. Here in Elk Grove, just the Elk Grove itself, ilan na tayo ngayon? Ilan na kayo sa groups ninyo ngayon? But if you can maybe have a little bit of a idea.
We have a lot at Elk Grove, but also we have on the other side.
Oh, ano
Elk Grove
pala?
is in South.
Iba-iba.
Anong
Sacramento.
cluster
We're
na?
Sacramento.
Cluster.
We're Sacramento cluster.
We have a
Sacramento.
chapter too.
Yes.
Okay, ano yung mga chapter? Yung sa chapter natin, what you cover?
We have the South, which is the
South
Elk Grove.
Sacramento,
Yes.
Elk
And we also
Grove.
have the East.
Uh-oh.
We also have the East,
Which is
the Folsom, Eldorado Hills.
Eldorado Hills.
And we also have the West, with Nathomas and West Sacramento area.
So there's,
Yes.
guys, if you...
They're everywhere.
Whichever area you are from, and if you interested of just knowing more about this couple of Christ, there's a lot of maraming
They're
mga-
everywhere,
There's
actually.
branches,
Yes.
no?
Oo, dami sila.
You can
And-
see them in the church.
in church
Sa
too.
Catholic
Because you're
Church.
doing all the service, because you're doing the Eucharistic ministry, big choir,
Silang
the altar
choirs.
servers,
Sila lahat. Yun, sila yun.
and even every event of the parishes, they're there.
Oo
they're
nga.
present.
Yeah.
Yes.
Alam nyo guys, naiisip ko talaga, marami tayong oras mag-scroll,
Yeah.
You know what? Ako, guilty ako dyan. And I'm telling you, Elizabeth, that I am joining the Brentwood. I promise you.
Okay,
I feel like,
talaga.
kasi
magkikita tayo sa Rome
kasi
next
narinig-
year. Pag
kasi
nag-join
narinig ko
ka.
rin yung mga iba't ibang service. It's just not because of Couple of Christ. Marami
Yes.
palang branches, no?
Marami.
And there's a lot of
The ministries,
giving,
yes.
ministries.
Yes.
Actually, we
Oo.
have now we have Parejas para Cristo.
We have the
Ano yun?
Hispanic. Yeah, the
Spanish.
Hispanic. Yeah.
Spanish, it's
Oh.
couples for Christ, but it's Parejas para Cristo in Spanish.
Yes.
They're more in South America.
Southern America.
Yeah, there's one time I spoke with one of the priests, and also he's a missionary, one of Brother Rod Bustos, that he said this one Christian Life program, they have 2,000 participants.
Participants.
In just one.
I like this.
Yes. Alam mo, Brother Joe, okay,
Yes.
to tell honestly to everyone, yung teaching ng Couple for Christ, what I really like about it is it starts from home.
Yes.
Yes.
Tama.
Kasi yan ang basic, unit of society.
It's the family.
Na kung
Yeah.
kung maayos yung bahay
Correct.
o yung household mo, it actually grows kasi natuturuan mo yung anak mo sa right from wrong.
Yeah.
You know na ano mo yung mga anong tawag dito, yung mga teaching,
Yeah.
yung how to be
Yes.
Well, everything starts
Christ-like.
from the family talaga eh. From home
Yes.
naman talaga eh. Yun naman talaga. For me for my own opinion,
Yes.
that starts from there. Yeah.
Actually, yung sinasabi mo nga sa akin na ano ba to, hindi kami sabay-sabay kumain.
Oo, diba?
Sa Couple for Christ, they actually promote na
Yeah.
dapat sabay-sabay kumain.
Oo.
Together as
Sa
one.
Couple for Christ, pinopromote, kailangan lagi may family
Yeah.
time.
Ang hirap na
Yes.
rin kasi because of the
Yes.
technologies, di ba?
Yes.
Oo nga.
The way the generations
Yes.
right now, di ba? Parang everything's communicate na sa text or
Text mo.
FaceTime. Parang ganun. Wala nang talagang personal interaction.
Yeah.
Yes, that's
Pero
true.
yung tinuturo
I love that.
sa amin na kaming mga magulang kung how do we communicate with our children.
Yes.
Yeah, okay. At saka, spending time with them, teaching them the right from wrong, mga ganun.
Sigurado to, love, we're gonna join. Magtatanong na ako.
Magjo-join na si brother.
No, I want to.
Okay, so sister, I wanted to ask Sister Nor. Kasi I know ang Couple for Christ, maraming fellowship. So can you kind of explain that, yung fellowship na tinatawag?
Because usually the fellowship, like we have actually household. We're a group, when you remember, like we are a group, we have a household leader. That's what we started with.
Yes.
So right now we are unit leaders, which means we are handling all the household leaders.
Ilang
five couples or 5 families or 4 to 5 families
per household. So anong ginagawa ng
So
kasi
we do like,
I'll let you explain it. Anong ginagawa ng household?
Yung mga household kasi, we like pray together, we like praise and worship there, and then we you together with the whole family, with the whole group. We have some teaching there in the group, and then we have some sharing. And also with that too, there's more maging the second family mo na. Doon kasi nag-start yung relationship niyo to each other. Before, like hesitant, there's a lot of people like really hesitant to share their lives. Diba?
Kasi it could get personal.
Yeah, it could get personal, but with that one, naisip mo na, ay, hindi lang pala ako naka-experience na ganong na ganyang problem. There's somebody, so you got that support from each other.
That's like your support group, your spiritual support group. Yes.
Yeah.
Kaya hindi mo na kailangan magpa-therapy kasi sila na ang therapist mo.
Yeah, and also not only that, the community is praying for you.
Oo, yun, nagpe-pray sila.
We pray
any of your family sick
or may problema.
And problems din. They're really supporting you.
Very supportive.
I can really feel or sense the kumbaga the real vision of this Couple of Christ.
Tsaka yung community.
For me, myself, I think I need this, Ate Elizabeth.
Yeah.
I've been telling you.
Kasi not only we doing it at home.
Yeah.
So we all not only like, hindi kami ganyan ka-serious, pero we have also the camping. We're gonna have a camping.
Yeah, the other side of
our
our activities.
Fun side. Like yesterday, we did our Angkop walk. We were in the park. Yes. Totoo ay aso ko kasi siya nag-ride si Pinky.
Everybody's
Sa'yo kay Sel Grove, yung ba yun?
Oo, nag-zumba. Zumba at the park.
Ang dami nyo,
marami kami.
That's a lot. That's a lot of us.
So masaya yung fellowship. So we sing.
So here goes. If you have any last messages for people who wants to join, if you want to say something na kung anong what's it's all about or anong gusto niyo sabihin.
Okay, so I'm inviting everyone to join the Couples for Christ. We're having our Christian Life program, which is
start today at 3 p.m.
At 3 p.m. That would be on St. Joseph Parish here in Elk Grove. So I'm inviting all couples to join us and to be a part of God's rediscovering love for joining us for the Couples for Christ. So I'm inviting each and every one of you to join us.
Yes.
And so the married couples, not only the married couples, but also the single
byuda kayo, byuda,
male and
byudo, or single. Yes. And then you know what? I'm really excited for next year. Di ba pupunta tayo sa Rome, Italy. We're actually gonna go see the Pope. So can you kind of articulate that, Brother Joe?
So that would be a celebration for a Couples for Christ. That would be
the Jubilee.
The Jubilee year.
That we are recognized by the Vatican.
Yes, Couples for Christ are recognized by the Vatican.
Wow.
Yes.
At first, we are like only one batch, like 2,000, but everybody wants to go, so we got 2 batches. Right now,
Masaya
like 4,000 total.
Yeah, so it's gonna be a lot.
It's all over the world. So we have the Middle East, the Europe, the South
Americas,
Northern Americas,
Asia, and
Philippines.
So pag nag-join ka, actually, alam mo kung sino nagsabi sa akin, yung cousin ko si Jan sa Florida. Sabi niya, ate, pupunta ka ba? Sabi niya, ano yan? Sabi niya, Couple for Christ kami dito sa Florida. Magkita tayo doon.
Kailan to?
Sa September of next year.
May.
That
will be May. May next year.
Goal ko yan.
So it will be fun.
We're gonna meet a lot of couples for
all our brothers and sisters all over the world, globally.
And you will get the chance to see the Pope.
Yes.
Same. So anyway, thank you everyone for tuning in.
Thank you.
Yes, and I hope you learned something today, and God bless all of you, and thank you for tuning in at
Bahay Pinoy sa Tate. Thank you so much,
Thank you
guys.
so much.
Thank you,
Thank you for having us. Thanks.
Bye-bye.
Bye.